My disposal is currently not working. When I flip the switch, I get no attempt for it to run. I looked inside and found that nothing crazy was jamming the actual blades. I couldn't find any obstructions in the very top. So we're gonna look under the hood. It looks like this guy might be tripped, which I know if the disposal is struggling, which it did do for about 5 seconds. I tried to run it the other day. It was jammed, wasn't rotating, and I turned it off, and the next time I tried to turn it on, I got no activity. So this thing may have tripped right here, and I think I might need to just press this in to reset it. But before doing so, I need to switch off the breaker because I believe this thing is hardwired. I don't see it plugged into an outlet anywhere. This thing is hardwired from underneath, and this goes into the wall. So I'm going to be more safe than sorry and flip off all of the kitchen appliances and outlets. Before resetting that red trip switch, I'm going to take a little Allen key. I believe this is a metric 6mm. And I'm going to plug it in on the underside right in the middle. There's a little space for an Allen key where you can manually insert your Allen wrench and twist side to side in efforts of freeing up, dislodging whatever might be caught inside. Alright, I felt something stuck in there. Seems like it might be spinning more freely now. So, going to reset this switch. And it was popped out, meaning it probably tripped itself just from overheating or trying too hard when it was jammed. Flipping the breaker back on. We are now all cleaned up. Let's give her another go. Back up and running.